Well, last time na pumunta ako dito sa Apostol Dental Clinic, sobrang ganda niya. As in, parang sobrang welcoming ng vibe. And then, yung kung makikita mo yung itsura niya in person, parang sobrang shala niya, very clean. Sobrang excited ako. Kasi nga, di ba, kompleto naman yung ngipin ko. I know, may kulang talaga. Parang lahat ng tao sinasabi nila na, ang ganda na ng teeth mo, ganyan. Pero ako kasi, gusto ko pa siya na mas gumanda lalo. Sabi nga ni Doc, diba, yung veneers kasi, nagagawa niya ng paraan, pati yung mga overbite. Kahit naman kumpleto yung ngipin ko, kapag overbite ka, hindi pa rin ganun kaganda tingnan. So, ayun yung mga gagawa ng paraan ni Doc, na mamamagic niya sana talaga. And excited ako. May mga friends din ako na naka-veneers na and sinasabi nila na pag-isipan ko nga daw mabuti. Pero ako, buong-buo talaga yung loob ko na this is it. Excited akong pumunta dito. Hindi ako natatakot.
Let's go straight to the small makeover na tayo later. Okay.
So, kinakabahan ako.
Mag-anesthesia lang konti. And then after that, tuloy-tuloy na. Naka-prepare na din ako ng design for you. Straightforward dun din. So, I think mabilis na tayo. See you.
Excited ka na, ma'am.
Yes.
Ano bag mo?
Hoga, ganda. Ganda, bango. Everything. Babalitaan ko kayo kung masakit ba o hindi sa kagaya kong matatakotin.
Chill lang.
Kinakabahan, pero kasi gusto ko to eh.
Correct.
Parang sa akin, pain is temporary.
I love that. I like that philosophy.
Yes.
It is temporary. It is.
Kasi after ng pain, ganda mo na.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct.
Tsaka hindi siya yung, sabi ko nga, hindi siya yung parang paulit-ulit lang na procedure na after 6 months, ganyan. Well, you need to do cleaning after 6 months. Pero yung like teeth itself, isang beses lang siya ilalagay.
Exactly. This is permanent. Pero syempre you have to take care of it para mas lumabas.
Dr. Jonas is very keen when doing his design. He wants it to be predictable and at the same time, a design that will really match the face of our patient. He is very particular with the measurements, with the line angles, and the distribution for the whole smile.
Yun na yun?
Now he is choosing the shade that will suit Angelica's face. And this is the caliper. He is measuring, again, the whole tooth structure when we do the final ceramics. Now, Dr. Jonas is starting to prepare the teeth. He is removing all the unsound structures and whatever cavities that are present. He makes sure to eliminate that. A lot of buzz going on social media that when you get veneers, you will have sharp teeth or your teeth will be too small. Well, just look at the final teeth preparation for Angelica. Take note, this is case-to-case basis and assessment is still the key to know what will be the final treatment for you. But in terms of final teeth preparation, for Angelica, it's just very minimal. You don't have to be scared that it will look like sharp or very small. Now we are close to the end of the procedure for this day. We are taking the final impression for the upper and the lower arches. Here is the bite as well, because we need to make sure that the ceramics that will be done will be functional. It is not just about beauty, but always about health, function, and lastly, aesthetics. So here is the last step for today, the creation of the temporaries. This will be worn for 1 or 2 weeks, and this will be a test drive for the patient to see how it will look like for the final smile restoration. Final curing, final touches, and we are done.
Ganda, Dok. Ano yan, Dok, sa totoong buhay, hahabaan mo pa? Like, ganyan siya. Yan yung sinasabi mo, mas mahaba ko.
Konting blonde. Pero hindi pa yan kasi syempre hindi ako pwedeng magnipis na sobra ngayon. Kasi nga temporary baka mabasag din naman.
The temporaries are not durable and will easily be stained, so the patient has to be careful for that process while waiting for the final.
Hindi mo pa ma-feel.
Hindi ko ma-feel eh. Parang kapalya pa eh.
Oo.
Nag-iba yung smile ko.
Mag-iiba talaga yan. Especially once mag-a-adapt yung lips sa lahat.
Ay,
diba?
ang ganda.
Yan yung yan yung gagawin ko.
Ganda. Sino ako dyan? Ano lang yan, temporaries pa. Tapos magagandahin pa ni Doc yung ikakabit niya talaga. Pero kahit temporary, makikita mo, ang ganda. Salamat mo, Doc. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Gano'n kamay mo, Doc?
Thank you.
Doc, nakikita kita kanina, para kang architect talaga na nagde-design ng, ng teeth,
Yes. Binibagay talaga na.
Thank you, sana hindi ko kayo pinahirapan.
Hindi naman.
After the final teeth preparation, as you know, we will be placing temporaries. Patients, when they go out of the clinic, will be wearing that temporaries. Will it be decent? Will it look nice? 100%. Just look at the photos of Angelica.
1 week later.
After a week, the patient is asked to come back for the final installation of the Emax porcelain veneers. Here is Dr. Helen removing the temporaries, removing all the debris, cleaning the teeth in preparation for the final cementation today. After the removal of the temporaries, here is Dr. Apostol to do the try-in of the final veneers. We have to make sure that the fit is right and the measurements are very exacting. We also consider the bleeding. If there is bleeding in some areas, we need to stop that. And the final look before we cement it permanently. So as you can see here, we will still modify some parts, some curves, and some line angles there before, again, the final cementation of the veneers. We will also make sure that the patient sees the smile before we will do the final step.
We will brighten the color pa.
Yung itsura ko ngayon, para ako nag-braces ng 10 years. Sa 5 years ako na nag-brace, hindi ko na-achieve yung ganitong kapasok na, ng ngipin. 5 years ako nag-brace, Doc eh. So medyo ganun lang. Pero okay lang yung ngipin, medyo forward lang. Hindi overbite talaga. Ngayon, hindi na. Para akong nag-10 years ng brace. Kasi, po talaga siya. Parang, sabi nga ni Doc po, illusion lang. Pero parang nagganon talaga siya. Kasi nung una ko pumunta dito, parang, Makikita niyo yung before and after ko pagkatapos ito. So, I'm very, very happy and proud, lalo na kinukwento ko sa mga friends ko na try nyo dito sa Apostol kasi super gaan ng kamay. Like, madami namang dentist, but kasi mas pinipili ko talaga yung magaan yung kamay. Kasi 'di ba pagka may trauma ka nung bata ka, gusto mo talaga yung okay eh. So, lahat ng na-experience ko dito, cleaning, lalo na veneers, parang high yung expectation ko na masasaktan ako, pero super happy and thankful talaga sa Apostol Dental Clinic.